So traveling home on I-4, I came to a stop. The lady behind me was not paying attention and she did not brake in enough time and rear-ended me. My lower back was hurt and I did have to go to the doctor and have some physical therapy. I did have an experience with a previous lawyer who dragged on the case, so I fought for 2 years and ended up telling me that he was retiring and he never did take my case to the court. So I was referred to you all by a family member and you guys helped me out greatly. Oh, it was phenomenal. It was fantastic. You guys, less than a year, got the case started, done, completed. Anytime I called, you guys had a lot of professionalism and answered any question that I had with details. And before I even had the thought to call you guys were calling me to keep me up to date. Absolutely, yes. Every experience that I had with you guys was fantastic. Compared to my other situation that I had, you guys kept me up to date before I even thought of a question to ask.